I remember thinking that it was all a nightmare. And I'd wake up at home in my bed and think, Jesus Christ, what a horrible nightmare that was. But it wasn't. Obviously. The next day I was just in a kind of daze. I just kept thinking that the phone was going to ring and it'd be Jo and she'd say, ha ha, this was a joke. And I'd think, what a sick joke. I used to think there'd be a knock at the door and things like that. God. You think of anything except facing the truth of what's happened. I was like this for about 6 months. I just couldn't accept it. I had a nightmare not so long ago. All I can remember is turning around and seeing Jo in the car seat next to me, and her face was really horrible. It was really munched up. She looked at me and she said to me, "Look what you've done to my face." And that really scared me, because for the first time it made me think, well, what if she had survived? Would she have forgiven me then? Or would you? Needless to say, I got no sleep that night. Do you know I hadn't talked to anyone about the accident before the interviews for this play? Not even my boyfriend. Without this, I would probably never have spoken about it. I still think about it every day. It may just be a 1-second thought from my mind, like, why the hell did I do it? But I did it, didn't I? And that's it. If I had one wish in the whole world, it would be to go back to that night.
But Judy, you promised to celebrate. Celebrate what do you fancy? What do you fancy? I don't know.
How about Christmas?
Easter! Today! Tomorrow! Who cares? As long as we get smashed out of our skulls!
Are you ready?
Ready! Off to the wine bar! Let's!
Here we are, Dave and Dave.
10 pints a night!
We're off to the lover, lads. Drink, drink,
Drink!
drink, drink, drink.
Drink! Drink! Please! 2 bottles of wine a night and I'm still standing. Come on, Judy. We better go before we get thrown out.
Wouldn't it be better if I go?
No, it's my car. It's my responsibility.
I haven't had as much to drink as you, so I'm going to be a little bit over the limit.
Look, why don't you get a cab home?
Yeah! Let's get a cab. Listen, I'll go and ring for one. You get the coats out of the car.
I can't go back. So resigned. I think that's the word. I'm resigned to the fact that it's happened. That there's no way I'm suddenly some pure character with no faults. It hasn't put me off drinking. I still enjoy half a lager or a glass of wine. But I'll never drink and drive again.